Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this exponential math problem, that is 8 power x plus 8 power x equal 4, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So if I'll take 8 power x as common, so 1 plus 1 equal 4. So 8 power x times 2 equal 4. Now I am going to divide both sides by 2. So 8 power x equal 4 by 2 is 2. 8 I can write it as 2 power 3. Whole power x equal 2 power 1. Now as per exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn or x power n power m. So it's 2 power 3x equal 2 power 1. Now on comparing both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So 3x equal 1. Now I'm divide both sides by 3. So what is the value of x? 1 by 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.